What's going on, guys? This is David here, and I am going to show you guys how I routed my front mount intercooler, and kind of show you guys some screenshots and things that I did to make it fit. This is on the EA211 1.4T. So, see you soon. Alright, guys, so this is the setup thing. First of all, I want to go ahead and basically thank EA211 owners group on Facebook. There's a lot of people on there that know what they're doing. If you have a 1.4, I would recommend you join them. It's not just for the Jettas, it's also for, like, you know, the Seats and all of them, Audis as well. So what I did is, first off, I got my blow-off valve kit from RTMG, and you will need a universal kit, at least a FMIC. I got it from RTMG as well. I was getting everything like from them, so I might as well just got them from that. And the piping, I got it from FMIC.EU Performance. So basically, total cost for the piping and the front mount intercooler, I believe it was about almost $300. So what I did, I cut the. If you look at the pictures, I'll post. This was a whole kit that basically went from here to the what are they called? This freaking thing here, the throttle body. So this is actually part of this. Okay, so this, you can tell I cut that, so that way the closer you have the blow-off valve kit to the turbo, the better it is. Okay, that's what I was told, so that's why I followed it. So I did that, got my connections in, and I basically had to get the pipes, each pipe, and I had to kind of like picture it in my head how it was going to go, and also, you know, using the guide on Facebook as well, as one of the posts on there. And so it kind of worked for me, the same thing. So this, I had to cut it quite a bit here and here. I think it goes like all the way to here on both ends. Yeah. And I had to beat it. Okay, so you do need a beating tool. However, I don't have that much money on me, so I got this one tool and I cut it. And so I used this part right here to make the beads, and it worked out well. It just took longer, but if you have the money to get a proper beading tool, I would get that. And you would need to obviously get some of these. These work very well. I'm gonna show you what those are. Sorry about my finger. Okay, so I got that. Went down here. You can see here, goes down, and then you get this angled right here. I think it's a 75. I'm not exactly sure. I don't remember. And then, then you get this right here, this elbow, and you connect to this. So this one right here, I don't remember these. I'll post it. I'll post the measurement of this. But each one of these have a different type of measurement inlet. Okay, so you'll have to check that out. Then I went on this side. Had to put this on here. See that elbow? And I got another. I think this was a. What was this? I'll send you. I'll post a screenshot. What it was. I don't remember exactly. This went up. Around like this. Up. And I put that end with this. So this right here this right here, the throttle body adapter, that one came with my RTMG blow-off valve kit. So if you don't get a kit like this, I would just get an adapter somewhere. And so basically after that, I had to take out the intercooler, stock intercooler, and this is the block off plate right here. You can see RTMG. This is a pain in the butt to take out. You have to take out the whole I'm gonna take a manifold right here, loosen it up, basically twist it up this way, and you have enough room to take it out. And the coolant lines, I basically connected with a 3-piece right there. So it's just recirculating. Okay, those are the 3 lines that are connected here stock. And I'll show you some pictures of how I kind of set it up. I did have to get some of these things, some brackets. These are like from Home Depot, you know, wall brackets, whatever. But I mean, if you can find something better, that'd be good. This thing was a pain in the butt to freaking drill through, but you know, persistence, time, that's all you need. I would recommend you get like a what's it called, one of those kits from like Home Depot or something that comes with all the metal drill bits and stuff. I'll post a screenshot about it too. So yeah, you would need to really test out every piece, make sure it sits well, make sure that you're not hitting any pulleys. That was a big thing for me. Yeah, you can tell I tightened it a bit too much there, but I'll be safe than sorry. But yeah, there's like not that much, too much room between the pulleys. I'm not sure we can really tell, but it's close. It's a close fit. I don't know if you can kind of tell like that. It's almost like I want to say like maybe it's almost less than an inch, honestly. But that's why I got my zip ties. You can tell. Kind of hold it in place, like so it won't touch the pulley system. Because at the beginning I did. It did scrape a bit, but luckily, that's why I have this band right here. It kind of damaged the pipe, but not like it didn't perforate it. So other than that, I mean, that's pretty much it. It's just time consuming, and just make sure that you take your time on it. You will need some of these. I did not use, like this is the what is this, the 90-degree elbow. This is a 67-degree elbow. This is a 90-degree elbow that I didn't use, but it's good to have extra just in case. So you will also need sandpaper. I had used this P220. So when you cut the pipes with the grinder or whatever you use, you know, it's not, you make sure there's no sharp ends and you sand it down. So I use this, and then I use a more rougher one. I don't remember what it was, honestly. I think it was like P100 or something like that. But other than that, I mean, that's pretty much it. You got to make sure that you do have some type of blow-off valve or dump valve on these things, because if you don't, you know, it's going to cause turbo flutter, and that's gonna mess up your turbo. You're gonna destroy it. It sounds awesome, yeah, but it'll destroy it, dude. It needs to be more up as close as possible when you install it. It has to be more up as close as you can to the frame, okay? Or else your bumper isn't gonna fit. So I should be getting some brackets on the bottom part. You can tell it's got this right here. So I would have to find a way to get it attached to this part, this area. Other than that was the hardest part, honestly. Just making sure that this side did not, touch those pulleys, really. You have to do a few test drives, make sure that nothing's rubbing. And that's pretty much it. I mean, yeah, questions, that's just let me know and I'll try and answer you. I'm mostly on my Instagram, so if you want to get on my Instagram, it's the Last Jetta. You can message me there. And good luck to you guys, and just keep going.